Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm headed to Menlo Park Cars and Coffee. It was a pretty good meet last time. Got some really good picks. It's about just after 8 right now. Well, no, it's actually 7:44. I meant that I'm going to get there a little bit after 8 today. So we'll see if we can get good parking like we did last time and get some nice content for you. So, yeah, it's going to be hopefully okay. The weather's a little bit cloudy. Said it was gonna rain, but I don't really see anything. So, all right, I'll see y'all there. Oh, made it out to Menlo Park. Nice, good little collection. I think it's really pulled up yet. Let me give y'all a rundown on this thing because it's been a while since you guys have seen it. So we went ahead and polished and ceramic coated the work emotions. On the fit, looks pretty dope. So I honestly like it because it definitely changed the character of it a little bit. For the third meet of the day, we're gonna go to Mohammed's meet at ShazamShots on Instagram. He's hosting a little get together in Milpitas at the bakery, which is actually where they had the Milpitas Cars and Coffee back in 2022, which was lit and popping. I don't have any content from that, but it was a while ago and that was amazing. It's a great spot. Hopefully some pretty cool builds come out. Usually he brings out a pretty good amount of euros. So we'll see how it goes. I swear, bro, everybody and their mama outside right now. That's that Sunday. Everybody driving.